Musha and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing the Wild Growth Hair Oil. If you're interested, keep on watching to see my thoughts, my results and everything else. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any videos that I do upload. Without talking too much, let's get into this video. So like I said before, we're going to be talking about the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I've heard so many things about this oil, so many YouTubers rave about it, so many naturals rave about it, a lot of people rave about it, you know, so I thought let me just give it a try myself. I looked at the ingredients and they all sounded really nice, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the ingredients that are in this bottle or in this oil. So the ingredients contain oils of coconut, olive oil, jojoba oil, rice bran, cocoa butter, acerola, pomegranate, rosehip and pumpkin seed extracts of mushrooms, chickpea, lentils, cocoa mass and sesame seeds, essential oils of clary, sage, eucalyptus, frankincense, geranium, grapefruit, lavender and peppermint. Okay, so it has a whole bunch of, like, you know, natural stuff, and this is what it looks like. I transferred it into this bottle only because I was having a hard time squeezing it out through this bottle. So yeah, I put it in this bottle. It's very thick. So what are the benefits of this oil? Let me tell you, I think it definitely does help in hair growth when you use it consistently. It does help to, like, boost or promote hair growth, and then obviously the essential oils as well, they help to boost the oils, like such as peppermint, to help with, like, the sensation and bringing that blood flow to your hair when you apply peppermint. But you know, we get that tingling sensation, and that's good for, like, allowing more blood flow to the head and to the scalp and all that good stuff. So yeah, what I was doing personally, I was just like, I had cornrows in my hair for like 2 months. Yeah, I use the oil consistently, like on a daily basis. I would oil my scalp with this oil. I would first, you know, spray my hair with something, some sort of water or something. Usually use like fenugreek spray or a rice water spray. So usually I go with fenugreek because it strengthens the hair, and rice water as well, but I haven't really been a fan of that, but more of a fenugreek fan. So I use fenugreek spray as my moisture, and then I'll use the oil to apply on my scalp on every track, and then massage that into it, massage it in. And if my hair is really dry that day or night, then I will put a plastic bag over my head and then, you know, wrap up my head and then go to sleep like that. Like every time I would apply the oil, I would need to, like, put a bag on my head anyway, just to stop the oils from dripping and going on clothes or like pillows and things like that. So excuse me, you have to be really careful with the oil because, yeah, it'll probably go on your pillows. So if you're gonna apply it daily, make sure you do it maybe in the morning, so that by the time you're going to bed, your hair has had time to absorb the oil. I would suggest you do it in the morning, but obviously most people, for me personally, I remember to do my hair before I go to bed, like maybe an hour before bed, or like, yeah, so something like that. So if you're like a nighttime nighttime routine person with your hair, then an hour before you go to bed you can set yourself a reminder and then apply this oil to your hair. You know, spray something, don't just apply an oil straight to your head like that. I mean, you can do, but, you know, apply a plastic bag so that you can generate heat or some sort of, like, moisture to your hair and scalp. So that's the only way I've been using that oil, and I think I've seen some great benefits. My hair, when I took out my hair, if you want to watch the video, I've been the iCards of my 2-month cornrow takedown. You will see, like, my hair was really thick, and yeah, I'd grown so much as well, like so much. My hair had grown, which is why you know, I was just like, I'm gonna continue with the cornrows. I've got cornrows right now in my hair. I'm gonna, like, allow them to stay in again for another 2 months or so, and then take so yeah, my hair is thickening, my hair is growing, it's flourishing. So I don't know if it's the oil or the I think it's mainly the protective styling, and the oil has been helping. What are the cons? what I don't like about this oil. What I would say, I like the consistency of the oil. I wouldn't say I didn't like it. The only thing that I hate about this oil is because when I put it on my scalp, guys, my scalp is itching like mad, like my scalp is on fire or something. Like I had to keep constantly washing my hair, but I had to get through this oil. So I don't know if I will continue with it, like, you know, with the rest of the bottle. I'm gonna give it away because I'm already, you know, making my own oils now. The only thing that I would think that's making my scalp itch with the coconut oil that's in the oil. That's one of the ingredients, and me and coconut oil, I say this many times, we don't get along. So I'm thinking I could try and make this oil but minus the coconut oil, without all the ingredients that are in there. Try to replicate it. Like when I apply it, I literally, I'm scratching, so like I can only go for like 3 days, and then I would have to wash my hair, and then obviously go again, apply the oil, and then it felt like torture because it's like, ugh, you put it on, you're itching, and then you scratch, you have to wash it out. So that's the only part. So I'm not sure if I will continue because I feel like that was like madness. So yeah, that's the only bad part. Overall I like the oil, but just the fact that it's got coconut oil in it, and my scalp is like set on fire once I apply that. It doesn't like happen straight away. It will happen maybe like the second day or the third day, and it's just like my scalp is itching and I can't take it no more. It's a shame really, because I think it's an amazing oil. But as for me, I won't be able to use it because of the coconut oil. I knew that, like, but I thought, let me try it anyway, let me try it. But yeah, I tried it with myself. I realized, okay, 60 days was enough for me to know that, okay, something in the oil is causing my scalp to itch so bad. So yeah, that's my take on this oil, or review if you want to call it that. So yeah, moving forward, I'm going to get started with a different sort of, I'm going to use a different oil or something for another 60 days or so. Yeah, just to see how that one works as well. So look out for that video to come next. Let me know if you've tried it. How did it work for you? Did you like it? Did your hair like it? What were your thoughts? Did you see any improvements? How do you use your hair oil? Do you just use it on your scalp? Do you add it to your deep conditioners? What do you do with it? Let me know. What are your thoughts? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new here, and if you made it all the way to the end, you are the real MVP. Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay beautiful, always unbothered.